It can be inferred from the passage that which of the following had been a factor influencing the emergence of dead cell. The dead cell mentioned in the passage are about bacterial cell. Choice D and E are totally irrelevant with respect to the passage because nothing is mentioned about any nutrient or inhibitors in the passage. So we can eliminate choice D and E. It is so absurd that bacterial cell walls had been a factor to die the cells because cell walls function to protect the whole existence according to science, and so choice B is weakly fit as correct answer. So we can eliminate choice B as well. Choice A and choice C are relevantly fit as correct answer. Blue-green mold, where mold is a kind of fungus and specifically the cell walls of the mold or fungus had been the factor influencing the emergence of dead cell. In comparison between choice A and C, we can decide that choice C is more specific and logical as correct answer. So we can eliminate choice A and accept choice C as the correct answer. So the correct answer is choice C.